Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the tanning beds at Planet Fitness. First, you must have a Black Card membership which costs $24.99 per month. Check in at the front desk using your digital key tag on the Planet Fitness app. Then let a member know if you'd like to tan. They'll log your session and assign you a booth. Choose between a stand-up or lay-down tanning bed. Stand-up beds give you a stronger tan in less time, while lay-down beds offer a more relaxing experience but require a longer session. Tanning times vary by location, but they typically range from 5 to 12 minutes. Once inside, remove jewelry and wear protective goggles, which are required for safety. You can apply tanning lotion if you'd like, then enter the booth. After your session, some locations require you to wipe down the bed, while others have self-cleaning machines. Remember, Planet Fitness only allows one tanning session every 24 hours, so plan accordingly. Also, stay hydrated and moisturize after tanning to keep your skin healthy.